Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at your place. So everyone know, my name is Mitali and I am teaching you social science. And today what we are going to start our chapter number 2 of civics, which is on equality. So in this chapter we will be studying about equality also and inequality also, like how the people and where the people are being treated equal and on what ground, on what aspects they are treated unequal. So that means in this chapter basically we will study about equality and inequality. So before starting the chapter, the first thing that you all should know, what is democracy? What is democracy? So the word democracy has made from two different words. The first word is demos and the second word is kratos. The first is demos and kratos. Demos means people. Demos means people and kratos means government. So जब हम इन दोनों words को together, when we will combine these two words, so it is people, government. So yes, you are correct, and I think you have studied in your class 6 also that what is democracy. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. एक ऐसी government जिसमें the representatives are chosen by the people, from the people and for the people. So that is the democracy. And why we are studying democracy? Ma'am ne bola we will study about equality. So let's see why we are studying this democracy. So I am reading from your book. Let us first study what is meant by democracy. It is derived from two Greek words, which is demos and kratos, which means people and the government. In other words, a democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. So let's continue from your book. The Constitution of India guarantees equality to all citizens. What the Constitution guarantees us? It is guaranteeing us equality. Equality means that all the people should be treated equally, yet there is a grave inequality among the people of India. But फिर भी क्या है यहाँ पर? There is inequality in the people of India. These inequality अभी किस basis पे हो सकती हैं? These can be on the basis of rich and poor. Inequality show करी. Then it can be on the basis of educated and illiterate. The one is educated and the one is illiterate. So they both are behaved. They both are treated unequal. The high caste and the lower caste, and between the working class and the honor. So ये जो हम inequality पढ़ रहे हैं, this inequality can be on the basis of any grounds. The government has launched several programs. अब government ने क्या किया? Government का तो काम है ना equality को promote करना. So what the government has done, government has launched several means many programs to create the equality, but a little has been achieved. Only a small part has been achieved in order to bring about a positive change. Yes, in order to bring about a positive change. That means if you want to tell everyone that how the government is giving us the equality, public awareness is very important. Public should be aware that we have the equal rights. Whether I belong to any lower caste, whether I am rich or I am a poor person, I have the same rights which government has given. Inequality exists in varying degrees in several domestic countries. That means in different countries the inequality is on the different stage, but equality is a very important aspect in the democracy, and its functioning depends upon the people participation. As we have just studied that what is democracy? Democracy is the government of people. Democracy is the government of people. So in democracy, the people, the word people, the people are very important. And yes, democracy is a form of government which gives the equal rights to all the person. How? Equal rights to vote. Yes, the equal rights to vote. जिसकी बारे में हम अभी डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. इक्वल राइट टू vote. That means everyone, whether he is Ambani or whether is your Mitali ma'am, we both will stand in the queue to give the vote. So let us read from the book. Every adult citizen of India has right to vote irrespective of the economic status, whether I'm rich or poor, religion, I'm a Hindu or I'm a Muslim, any caste, whether I belong to a higher caste, I'm a Brahmin, or whether I belong to a very lower caste, or education, if I am not educated, if I am very much educated, if I am an MBBS doctor, or if I am an illiterate who is just 12th pass. So everyone has the equal right to vote. लेकिन उसकी क्या condition है? That every individual which is 18 years plus. That means everyone which is above 18 years can give the vote. So let us study this with the story of Rama Devi. Who is Rama Devi? कौन है Rama Devi? Yes, who is a domestic help. Rama Devi is a domestic help. That means हमारी भाषा में बोले तो a maid who is working at the house of Ramesh Ahuja, जो रमेश आहूजा के घर में काम करती हैं. On the election day, जब elections थे, what they have observed that they both were standing in the same row. Even that Rama Devi भी उसी लाइन में थी और उसने देखा कि उसके जो ऑनर थे, that रमेश आहूजा जिनके घर में वो काम करती थी, he was also standing in the same queue. So इससे क्या प्रूफ हुआ? ये जो equal rights to vote है, what does it proved? It proved a lot of things. So what does that show? That they both can cast their vote. They both can cast their vote. दोनों ही vote cast कर सकते हैं. And this what we are talking about? We are talking about democracy. That how democracy is giving equality to the different person. So अब हमने देखा कि रामा देवी और रमेश आहूजा दोनों में क्या सिमिलैरिटीज हैं. देखो, both can cast the vote, both are equal, no matters who is rich, who is poor. क्या फर्क पड़ता है, दोनों एक ही लाइन में तो हैं. Both have only one vote. ऐसा नहीं है that if that Mr. Ahuja is very rich, so he can cast 2 or 3 or 4 votes. That is not possible. No matter whether he's a male or she's a female, so doesn't matter. They both have only one vote to cast. Then both have to stand in the same queue. So this is how the government, the democratic government, is giving the equality to everyone, whether he belongs to any religion, any caste, any economic status. But what happened in the evening? शाम को क्या हुआ? रामा देवी स्टैंडिंग इन दी अदर क्यू. अब वो किसी और लाइन में है. कौन सी लाइन में? इन दी हॉस्पिटल. इन दी हॉस्पिटल. व्हाट हैपेंड? अब उसकी बेटी बीमार है. हर डॉटर इज वेरी सिक, तो शी हैज गॉन टू दी हॉस्पिटल, द गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल. नाउ हियर द इनइक्वालिटी कम्स. अगर वो भी रमेश आहूजा की तरह होती, बहुत ही रिच, सो डू यू थिंक शी वुड हैव गॉन टू अ गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल एंड शी वुड हैव बीन स्टैंडिंग इन अ क्यू? अगर रिच होती तो शी मस्ट हैव गॉन टू सम प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल जहां पर लाइंस लंबी नहीं होती, और भी ज्यादा रिच होती तो शी मस्ट हैव कॉल्ड द डॉक्टर होम, राइट? सो हियर इज द inequality, and this will be clear with the help of the table. See, this table clearly shows that the occupation is Ramesh Ahuja, he is a businessman. Rama Devi, she is a domestic servant. दोनों का घर कैसा है? The Ramesh Ahuja lives in a very big and clean house. In fact, on the other hand, Rama Devi lives in a small and the dingy house. Surroundings, उनके घर की surrounding कैसी है? Open, clean space, and a park is also there. But if I'll talk about Rama Devi, on other hand, her surroundings are very dirty and there's a drain near her house. जो होते हैं ना, जैसे हम बोलते हैं झुग्गी झोपड़ियां in the slum area, maybe she is living in an area like that. And the status, it is clearly shown in her study, when we have studied about her life, that she is a very poor and Ramesh Ahuja is a very rich person. So that is how there is the inequality shown on the basis of different conditions. So that's all for today. आगे हम कल पढ़ेंगे. Okay, bye.